So guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now guys, in this video I'm talking about YGG token guys. Yield Gulid Games token are now going positive in the market guys, and a lot of people are getting a huge profit from YGG token guys. So guys, in this video I'm talking about the simply latest update of YGG token, which is very important for all holders guys. Keep watch this video complete, and if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe our channel for more news and update videos guys. So guys, now first of all, congratulations. YGG are going to hit a 6 USD dollar right now. You can see the 5.92 USD dollar, that is right now price of YGG. And possibilities guys, now you can see 11%, 10.94% positive, 10% the price pump, and it's in the last 24 hours. So now the changes update of YGG token is positive, so now they are going to hit 6 USD dollar right now guys, and obviously it is in a profit guys. You know what, in the last of month we found YGG token price highly positive guys. Now only 2 days remaining in the September, so in these 2 days a lot of people are selling YGG token, because also people get a huge profit from YGG token guys. You can see at 12 cent the price pump just in start of this video, just only in 1 minute. For 2 cent the price pump, so 1 cent is not a big target for YGG token guys. Very good change. Now obviously I also recommend YGG for now. You can see 1 cent again the price pump, 5.95 USD dollar, that is right now price guys. So now for holders, that's this video is just for holders guys, please hold. And guys, I also predicted YGG token that in the beginning of October there is a higher possibilities that YGG token price will highly pump. So please hold, never miss this opportunity guys. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about YGG token? Also share in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe channel.